Why is it interesting to work on circular economy? For a lot of reasons. I come from a background of remediation and life cycle assessment, and remediation is a fascinating but frustrating area. It is so hard to remove contaminants from soils, waters, etc., and it disrupts people's way of lives. And if we can bring ourselves to a point where there's less contamination because we've designed a system that's more circular, then that is a huge bonus for the world, for our children, etc. And in the context of LCA, circularity there's a very interesting intersection there. LCA is very focused on emissions and impacts and assessing those. Circularity brings a very different perspective, and there's still a lot of work to be done at the intersection of the two. What are the interesting projects with circularity? There's been a lot of focus on greenhouse gas emissions, naturally, and that makes sense. But there's so many other impacts that we don't have a good understanding of. Biodiversity is a big one. And of course, another interesting piece is national security. If we can manage resources here better, we have less dependence on other nations and can, of course, minimize the numbers of mines that we have to open, forests we have to log, etc.